Hey guys, welcome back to my channel That Girl Next Door. So today we are going to unbox pinchme.com boxes. I have got two boxes. One box and this one envelope from pinchme.com, and today I'm going to check what is in it. You can also get these boxes by Qwiz. 8th of March, pinchme.com is going to release the samples, so you can get it from there. Also, you can do surveys and get these boxes. So yes, without delay, let's start unboxing Pinch Me box. Delay, let's unbox this box. Okay, so this is my first product from pinchme.com. You can see this is Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops. You won't believe your eyes. Okay, so the first product is eye drop and it is here. Okay, you can check. Okay, let's see. I think this is one-time use eye drop. See, this is a sample, not for sale. Yes. Okay, so this is the eye drop, one-time use, Lumify eye drop. Drop works within a minute and lasts up to 8 hours to reduce redness. So this eye drop is used to reduce the redness. And yes, this is a one-time use eye drop. So yeah, this was the first product from pinchme.com. Now let's check out what is the second product in my Pinch Me box. So this is my second product. It's blue greens, 8 grains. You can see. Okay, so this is a tablet. So this is a big tablet, I guess. Yes, this is a one big tablet. It has citric acid, sorbitol, natural flavors, cornstarch. Okay. Directions: drop 1 tablet in water, dissolve and drink. 1 tablet per day for ages 4 and up. Okay, let me show you. Oh, this is a huge tablet. Okay. So this is 1 tablet, 8g. We have to dissolve it in water and then drink. And it has proteins, vitamins. It contains vitamin B6, vitamin C, zinc, vitamin B12. Nice. Okay, I'm going to try this today only. So this was my second product in the Pinch Me box. Now let's check out what is the third product in my Okay, so I've got this. These are the eye patches. I've got these 2 patches, and these are what is the use? Covering the lower lashes during eyelash extension application. This is 1 pair hydrogel with aloe vera eye patches. A pair of eye patches. Immediately after opening, it's written. So I'll use today only. I'll have to use it today only. So yeah, this was the third product in my Pinch Me box, and I've got this 2. Now let's check out what is the fourth product in my Pinch Me box. Fourth product is Skittles. Okay. This is bite-sized candies. Okay, let's just try. I'll just open it. Okay, this is orange. This must be orange flavored. These are good. Grape, green apple, lemon, strawberry, orange. Total 5 flavors. Okay, so this is my fourth product. Skittles candies. Okay, so this is my fifth product. Airheads Blue Raspberry artificially flavored. Okay, so this is also candy. Okay, I'm not going. Okay, so this is also candy and it's a bit harder, I guess. Okay, so this is the fifth product. So this is the sixth product in my Pinch Me box. And it is Slim Fast Diabetic Weight Loss Peanut Butter Cup. Okay, nice. It helps manage blood sugar. Okay, actually I love peanut butter cup. Let's just try it. Actually I got peanut butter cup in one of my sampler box, I guess. Yeah, you can check it here, and I love that peanut butter cup a lot. So let's check the Slim Fast peanut butter cup, how it tastes. It tastes good. It has salt, tea flavor. It has salty flavor in it. Oh, the one from the sampler was much better than this. I didn't like the taste. You can check the sampler peanut butter cup that I had tasted earlier. I didn't like this, sorry. A few more chocolates from Michael Augustine. You can check. Got 1, 2, and 3 chocolates from Michael Augustine. In boxes generally they have these chocolates. I really loved it. Although my husband didn't like it. I love this chocolate. This is dark chocolate and a pinch of sea salt. Okay, let's try it. So this is a cookie square shaped chocolate with a chocolate in it. This is nice. I love this one. So now my box is empty. Now let's check out what is there in the second envelope. This is what is in the envelope. Coupon from HelloFresh for 1 meal kit for $20 value. Okay. Nice. Okay, so we can order 1 meal kit from HelloFresh worth $20. Great. I'm definitely going to use this one. So yeah, the unboxing from pinchme.com is done. Want to get this pinchme boxes? Log into pinchme.com. I'm attaching the link in description box. Of March, they are going to give pinchme samples on 9 AM Pacific time. So yeah, go for it. That's it from my side. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Tada, bye bye.